This is the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. It has no annual fee, a generous sign-on bonus, and flexible cashback reward categories, making it a popular choice among consumers. With the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, you can earn up to 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase's Ultimate Rewards program. This includes available airline tickets, hotel accommodations, car rentals, activities, and cruises. You'll also earn 3% on drugstore purchases, dining at restaurants, takeout, and eligible delivery services. Cardholders will automatically earn 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. Chase is currently offering a sign-on bonus where you can earn $200 after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening your account. On top of that, you can earn 5% cash back on gas station purchases, capped at $6,000 spent in the first year. These rewards never expire as long as your account is open, and there is no minimum to start redeeming your cash back. You can choose to apply your cashback rewards towards your statement balance, or you can deposit cash directly into your bank account. If you're a frequent Amazon shopper, you can also instantly redeem your cash back during checkout. You also have the option of redeeming your rewards for gift cards or book travel through Chase's Ultimate Rewards program. After applying for your Chase credit card, you can receive instant access before the card even arrives. Simply add your card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, and you can start spending immediately. The Freedom Card is contactless, which means you can conveniently pay without swiping or inserting your card. Just tap to pay and you're on your way. Currently, you can earn up to $500 per year by referring 5 friends to any participating Chase Freedom Card. As a Chase cardholder, you can request a free FICO credit score at any time without affecting your credit. Another benefit of the Freedom Card is that it offers trip cancellation and interruption insurance. If your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, severe weather, or other covered situations, you can be reimbursed up to $1,500 per person and $6,000 per trip for your prepaid non-refundable passenger fares. With Chase's zero liability protection policy, you won't ever be held responsible for unauthorized charges made with your credit card. Speaking of fraudulent purchases, Chase offers 24/7 fraud monitoring and can notify you by phone, text, or email in the event there's any unusual activity on your account. If you're interested in applying for this card, it's recommended that you have a good to excellent credit score, which can range from 670 to 850. As a new Freedom Unlimited cardholder, you can expect an intro APR of 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. After the intro period is over, your APR will be adjusted and ranges from 15.24% to 23.99% variable, while APR for cash advances is currently 25.24% variable. Don't forget to pay off your card statement, or you can expect to pay up to $40 in late fees. For balance transfers, there is an intro fee of either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, on transfers made within 60 days of account opening. Cash advance fees are either $10 or 5% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is a fantastic choice for consumers as it comes with a worthy sign-up offer, flexible rewards categories, and plenty of options for cashing in rewards. If you're interested in learning more about this credit card, we will have a link in the description below to Chase's website. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more credit card reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.